Alright, so what's up mga ka-wrestling? So nung last video natin, na-complete natin yung basic lessons ng WWE 2K25. Yung mga basic attacks, combo, repositioning, diving attack, at syempre yung chain wrestling na medyo bago pa sa atin. So dito tayo sa beginner meter lessons. Take na natin. Okay, so taunts. So taunt is not only a great way to bring some showmanship to your match, but there are benefits to taunting as well. So perform a crowd taunt. Okay, left. Ayan. Okay. Opponent buff finisher. Ayan. Buff finisher daw. Okay. Perform a wake up taunt. So si wake up taunt, ito yung taunt na automatic tumatayo yung kalaban kapag ginawa mo siya. So stun meter. One of the best ways to gain an advantage during a match is to stun your opponent. You will achieve this by filling up your opponent's stun meter. Effective way to fill up the opponent's stun meter is to use light attacks and light grapple moves. Okay, so gamit natin ngayon si Cody Rhodes versus Kevin Owens. Stun the opponent by using light attacks. Okay, light attacks, ito yung square. And then light grapple. Okay. Ayun. So, dapat mapuno natin tong stun bar na yan, yung nasa ulo ni Kevin Owens yan. Okay. So, yan. Pag napuno na yan, merong notification dyan na na-stun na siya. So, there's a lot of benefit to building up your signature meter. By filling up the meter, you will gain access to a variety of abilities such as payback, instant recovery, signatures. First thing first, let's fill up your signature meter. Use taunts and attack your opponent with a variety of attack in order to build your signature. Okay. So R2 and square daw. Okay. Pedigree. So now that you've hit a signature, you may notice that you've got a free full stack filled in your finisher meter. Once you perform a signature, you will always get a finisher stack. So once daw naka-perform ka ng signature move, automatic may finisher stack ka ng available. Press R2 plus X. So ito yung most powerful moves in a superstar's moveset and appear as a yellow segment. Some finishers also require at least one or both the attacker and defender to be in a specific location. If you need help, check the pause menu. Okay. Okay, so check daw yung pause menu. Ito yung moves. So pag dito, nagpunta tayo sa moves, makikita natin yung setup ng mga finisher moves pati signature move niya. So, subukan natin perform a finisher, R2 plus X. Ayan. Ayun. So, aside from the finishing move pala, meron pang super finishers. R2 plus X. So, this requires 3 finisher stack to perform and result in even more damage to your opponent. R2 plus X. Okay. So, siya? Crossroads na tatlo. So, nakompleto natin agad yung beginner meter lessons. So, medyo saglitan lang siya. So, dito tayo sa defensive lessons. Tingin ko ito yung isa sa pinaka mahalagang technique na na kailangan nating matutunan. So, reversals. Now, learn to defend yourself. Tap triangle right before a move hits you to perform a reversal. You can reverse most attacks except after the first hit of a combo. Attacks have different lengths of reversal, window opportunity, and it can take some practice to get the timing down. Okay. Sige, testingin natin. Ayun. Okay. So, yung reverse button natin is triangle. When your opponent is performing a combo, you can attempt to counter it with a combo breaker by pressing square X or circle. Oh, okay. Kailangan talaga timing. After, halimbawang hindi mo na counter yung first move niya, yung second chance mo is yung combo breaker. Ayan. So, dapat mahulaan mo kung ano yung pipindutin ng kalaban mo. Counter or light grab breaker is square. Kailangan mahulaan mo talaga kung ano yung perform niya. Dito naman tayo sa dodging. It's time to practice the art of dodging by performing a dodge. Hold left stick away from your opponent and then tap triangle to perform a dodge. Okay. So ayun nga, nadagdagan na yung learnings natin dito sa game na to. So after nga nating matapos tong tutorial na to, try na nating lumaban sa CPU. So yun lang guys, see you in the next video.